Hey y'all, it's Country Couponer. Please make sure you watch video number 1. There's some important information about the situation and the beginning of the remodel, guys. Remember, this is a remodel, not regular penny shopping. Never ask employees about penny items. Always scan with the Dollar General app. Yes, 1 item per person per barcode. So now we have to keep up with the barcodes and just get what we want. Yeah, I mean, unless you want to, make a fuss out of it. What do you think? They could, if we make a fuss, they could close the store. So I think we should just go with what we can right now, and then later on we can make a fuss later if there's still a bunch of stuff later. Yeah. So let's just check these. See, different sizes of these underwear have different barcodes, so she said we can do different barcodes. So you want these?
I was gonna check them.
I think I already have those larges. So we just need to get what we can, and then yeah. All right.
Did you check all that? Or who
No.
did this?
I have no idea. We should probably just grab a bunch and then go.
Okay.
Let's just grab a bunch and then keep going, because the tattoo coupon I already got sheets.
We can just come back.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Oh shoot, and the tattoo couponer's in the way. It's okay, I'll just squeeze around her. I'll just leave my basket here. Oh shoot, I didn't even think about the boys' undies. Did you see any king sheets? Do you find any king sheets? No. Okay. See what's down here, guys. Gloves. I think these went. Maybe. Maybe not. What else? Can't even remember. Oh, I need to check. Any of these left? Nope. Oh my goodness, guys. Alright, I got a bunch to start checking, guys. You see any toilet paper? Scott? Let's see here. Ooh, I need to check toys. See, I did not do any, like absolutely no recon and no prep. Full sheets. Ooh, quilts. I don't think those go though. Huh. So you just have to go with the flow, guys. Every store can do whatever they want. 10% off. Alright, I'm gonna scan some stuff. I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I was just getting one of each on the shelf, and the worker came and took all the shoes off the shelf. I still got a lot, but oh my gosh. Talk about crazy. Guys, look, this only has 10% off. We know these go, guys, which I'm not going to get them all because they're only letting us get one SKU. But I've got some friends coming, so I'll give some to them. But daggone. Shoot. Why'd she get? Like these went. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and get them, but are these the same? Oh, See, amateur move. Like, she got the bottom ones, but she didn't get the top ones. Because the top ones are different SKU, guys. So, okay, guys. We're just going to load up the cart, and then we'll go through it afterwards. Oh, what is this? Oh, I wonder if these, oh, these went, I'm sure. And these go. She already got some of those. I don't know if this one went though, but pick up your mess, guys. Okay, well, our buggy's overflowing. We need more buggies. Okay, so I'm watching the buggy because we're actually gonna watch our buggy from the employees at this store. Oh, it's crazy, guys. This is just crazy. Only one SKU, one item per person. There's 4 of us here, so we're still gonna be able to get a good haul, but still sucks, guys. All right, I'll be back. Okay, guys, we're gonna try to move our baskets. Choo choo, choo choo, chugga 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 chugga. Oh shoot. Okay, that's not working. All right. No, it did not bring any battery, but the iPad's in the truck. Shouldn't have said that out loud. Okay. Oh, you're doing such a good job, honey. That's the worker. Okay, here we go. Okay, guys, so you got those 2 baskets over there, Heather? Awesome. So the tattoo couponer, they found softener. Hey, what else y'all find? Just softener? Oh, good job, honey. What you talking about? Is that all we found? Just 2? Oh, that softener. That blue one. Oh gosh, guys. They don't have stickers up. That's why we got it. Gotta get our stuff. It's not the easiest. We're not gonna check out yet because they're going by the standard penny policy and they may not allow us to come back and get more. Alright. I'm tired. Let's keep going.
That one right there. Right?
Hey y'all.
Yes.
So we have we're in the middle of checking out
Give me that, please.
and we are going through this our buggy. So we've already checked out one buggy and we've got a few more to go. Super exciting. So we've got to
Here.
what? You don't know my password?
No, why would I know your password?
I know your password.
Okay, and
So right now I'm looking for the POG stickers and seeing if we missed anything. You can expand it with the arrow on the bottom corner. All right. All right, so there's that makeup way down there on the bottom. And then I'm gonna go around the store, okay guys? All right, there is some toothpaste we did not get. Oh, what does that say? Oral-B floss picks. Ooh, hold on, let me go. Yeah, oh, we're getting all of them. So awesome, guys. Awesome, guys. Okay. right, guys. We're slowly but surely making it through. Oh, y'all don't have any clothes?
No, we don't.
Oh.
I got rid of that forever ago.
I was like, I was thinking, I'm missing something. Where are all the clothes?
I got those shorts.
Oh yeah, there are shorts.
Those we got.
But I was like, felt like we were missing something when we were checking out. We're missing the clothes, guys. We don't have time. It's so cute. So cute.
Ooh. And full. Here's the ones that I was talking about.
Paw Paw. Hey, Paw Paw. So cute. Rings. Look. Oh, score. Already got one. I don't know where it's at, but ooh, that was nice, guys. Look at that UPC. That's a good one. Oh, here's this UPC. I didn't get it in my arts and crafts video. All right. Underwear. Remember, guys, you can always pause and tap off to the side to get the UPC. I just repeat myself in every single video, but we never know when y'all are going to see these videos, so. Oh, man. Thank you so much for catching that. All right, guys, whenever you do, you scanned all these, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Whenever you do big hauls like this, and there's name brand items, make sure you clip the coupons that attach to it so you can get overage, guys. So, like the Downy and Tide or anything like that, clip them coupons, guys. Okay. Awesome. Thank you. Ooh, that is long, guys. That's over 3,000 items. Awesome. Here, Miss Tattoo Couponer, you want to hold this and I'll video it as you walk? Walk this way. That's just our last transaction. Thank you, ladies. Y'all have a good day. That's just our last transaction, guys. Oh, looky here, looky here. Yes, ma'am. And I got a coupon. Oh my gosh, guys, look, I just found these earrings and it matches my necklace I got in Texas, guys. Isn't that awesome? So anyways, the tattoo couponer, my sister had already left. They went to the shop and they're going through the stuff. They're gonna separate everything out, and I'm here just going through what's left behind. And this is what I've got, guys. See if you can see it. Just a bunch of stuff that we forgot. So I'm just scanning some stuff, see what we left, go back through other departments that we missed, things like that. We'll see if we can find anything else, guys. Oh my gosh, there's too much stuff, guys. Move your hand. There's too much stuff, guys. My husband would kill me if I brought all